Just in time. Alright, turkey.
Alright, thank you. Yeah, can you get that for me?
Yeah, we'll go get it for you.
Just be 1 second.
Alright, no problem. I was worried I wasn't going to get it, you know.
Right, well, you know, we run short sometimes, but not all the time.
Dad?
Excuse me a second.
One second. That's a turkey.
What do you mean?
It's Tom.
Sean's Tom?
Yeah, Tom.
Oh. Okay.
Tom?
Just 1 second.
Where's my turkey?
Hey, Sean.
Yeah.
How you doing? You okay?
You know what I want, Richard. You know what I want.
Okay, don't anybody move. He's very dangerous when he's like this. He's a master of Taekwondo. Sean, what do you want?
Just one.
Kyle,
What?
go get Tom.
Which one's Tom?
He calls them all Tom. Get anyone.
Okay, get Tom.
It's gonna be all right. Where to?
Just drive.
Okay.
It's alright. This is fine.
We got you. I got you. You're free! If I can save one, then I've done my part. I've done my part.
Hello? Where's my turkey? Waiting. Turkey.
Wow.
Turkey. Hello.
Okay. Here's what happened. You know, Sean, maybe next year you could start a little earlier. You know, like at the farm, before the...
Yeah, I guess that would be a better idea.
Yeah. Come on, buddy. Let me make you some tofu. All right? Happy Thanksgiving. We don't have it here. Do you know where the O'Galley Square Park is?
Yeah, I do.
I think there's one still there. Have you ever heard of the Turkey Liberation Organization?
What? No. Sounds liberal.
Very liberal.
Of course it would.
Hang on a second. Sean to the deli. You tell me.
You want to know where his turkey went?
Tom.
Tom? Oh, I freed that thing like a Bennett in Atlanta.